In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Proton Mail to Mozilla Thunderbird. Because Proton Mail is built around zero access end-to-end encryption, Thunderbird cannot connect to it the same way it would connect to a regular email provider. To make this work, you need Proton Mail Bridge. This app runs locally on your computer, securely decrypts your mail on your device, and then passes it to Thunderbird through a local connection. To begin, open your web browser, go to Proton's official download page, sign into your account, and find the Proton Mail Bridge section. Download the version that matches your operating system, then run the installer and complete the setup. Once installation is finished, open the Proton Mail Bridge app. When Bridge launches, sign in using your Proton Mail account credentials. If two-factor authentication is enabled, enter the current verification code from your Authenticator app to complete the login. After you're signed in, Bridge will prepare the local mail connection that Thunderbird will use. Next, stay inside Proton Mail Bridge and locate your connected email account. Open Mailbox Settings or View Details, depending on the version you see. This screen is very important because it shows the local IMAP and SMTP port numbers, along with a generated app-specific password. Keep this window open since you'll need those details in a moment. Also, remember that Thunderbird should use this app-specific password, not your main Proton password. Now open Mozilla Thunderbird. In the top right corner, click the menu icon, go to New, and choose Existing Mail Account. In the setup window, enter the name you want other people to see and then type your full Proton Mail address. Leave the password field blank for now and click Configure Manually. Thunderbird will expand the settings so you can enter everything yourself. For the incoming server, choose IMAP, then set the host name to 127.1 or localhost and use the IMAP port shown in Proton Mail Bridge. For the outgoing server, also set the host name to 127.0.0.1 and enter the SMTP port listed in Bridge. For both incoming and outgoing connections, set the connection security to Start TLS or SSL TLS if your Bridge version specifically shows that. Set the authentication method to normal password, then enter your full Proton Mail address as the username for both incoming and outgoing. Copy the app-specific password from Proton Mail Bridge, paste it into Thunderbird, and click Done. At this point, Thunderbird may show a one-time security prompt for the local certificate. That's expected since the connection is happening on your own machine. Confirm the security exception to continue. Finally, watch for your folders to appear in Thunderbird. Open your inbox to confirm messages are syncing, and send yourself a quick test email to make sure both receiving and sending are working properly. Once that succeeds, your Proton Mail and Thunderbird setup is complete.